Zolaka wente wingi tunawa votuzolana.
Doing what you're doing. The Most High knows how you will bless your family, what you will give, what you have provided for you and your family. The Most High knows more than everyone outside there. Yeah, and today we're gonna go very deep. I'm gonna explain you some things about the totems and a little bit about the elements. And when we have time, we're gonna go also to our prayers because today was the prayer day. Then also I wrote you to the chat. I wrote you something that all of y'all can write down and do. It will help all of you guys. It's one of the rituals that will be mentioned in the school. I talked to you guys about the school that will come, and yeah, write it down. It will help all of you. This week I couldn't go to prayers. I was so busy, and I was a little bit angry with some things. And if I'm angry, I do not go to prayers. This is something what I never do because I would never go with the righteous hearts into prayers. Yeah. So I did not do any prayer. And I'm in Germany right now as well. So I don't have my office here where I have my peace and do my prayers really intensively. So I will try this week again. And yeah, this week I will try again. But anyway, everything is good. Today's the day of revelations. I have some things that I'm gonna share, like that what I showed you to there. Look at the messenger, you will find something that I wrote there, something that everyone can do for himself. The Most High is a secret, is a spirit for every one of us individually, for families, bloodlines, and then it comes to the groups and mass, and then it comes to what you're doing. Do you do positive things? In the spiritual math, it works like this. Plus gives is equal plus. Minus is equal plus. I'm gonna explain. If you do good things, yeah, good angels would be with you. The Most High is positive. You are positive. All the signs in your life will be positive. The Most High's angel will guard you, will protect you, they will show you the ways. You will always, even if you struggle, find the way. If you're negative, doing negative things, you want to get fast money or whatever, you have hatred in your hearts, you go to negative people, you connect with them, you connect to negative spirits, at least you can connect to the Satan or whatever, and you give birth positive thing, like positive. So minus gives positive, but what is the positive there? The positive thing that you will receive is the positive results that Satan will give you for your offering him, which means you are negative, you connect to the negative, and everyone around you will be negative, yeah, but you will receive something positive out of it, which means money, wealth, housings, skills, whatever. This is what the most of the people do not know. Okay. Now, then at last, if some people need special prayers, we're gonna go to the prayers. But I told you this week I'm gonna also enter into the prayers. So you can also tell me when you need the prayers. Like I have some names already here that I will pray for the people. I have done it already one or two times, but I did not do it intensively. Okay. Now I will tell you now some things about totems and elements, and etc., etc. So reincarnation, you guys know that I believe in reincarnation until the 4th generations and even more. The Most High does not make everything new. The people used to come back without the same conscious, without the same knowledge. It's like a new people. They can even be born in a new race. Now we have to know, who have you been before? What kind of race have you been before, or where have you been before? Okay, these kind of things are important for someone who wants to know. Yeah, it can be that you have been you was Asiatic or European, Indian or whatever, but you have to know all these kinds of races. They come from the black race. So so there are normally, that Nzambe sees only 2 races. There's the black race and the white race, the negative pole and the positive pole. Yeah, and we're gonna come to that next time. We're gonna talk about it, but for now, you have to know that every day you have 62 angels that used to come to visit you. 62 angels, okay? And the angel of death, yeah, he used to come also very often, yeah, just to look at you, yeah, to see if it's your time or not. He's not far away from us, yeah, the angel of death. But then you have also 62 other angels that used to come to look at you, to, you know, so that you can make it during the whole day, okay, to protect you when you fly, when you have conversations or any problems. Yeah, there are some angels always around you. Like I said, positive people will always connect to the positive energies, to the positive angels. Negative people will always be with negative people and with negative angels, with negative energies, which means that these negative energies will also start harming them, making them sick, and etc., etc. But in another way, also they can also be blessed by that. Now, that what we have to know about the totems is that every totem comes with his attribute. It comes with his power, yeah, if it is negative or positive. And every family has a totem, yeah. A totem is an emblem or an animal, yeah, that you could also see that the 12th tribe of Israel had. You can see that the Kongo, they have a totem as leopard. Yeah. The United Nations has an eagle. France has is chicken or whatever. Yeah. Then you have the Ivory Coast has an elephant. Like Angola has palanca negra, etc., etc. Yeah. So a totem, yeah, says a lot of things about the countries, about the tribe, or about a people, about someone. And every country in this world has its totem. Yeah. Like I said, a man or a family member can also, families can also be a turtle, chicken, dog, snake, etc., etc. So, and all these totems used to follow you until the 4th generations. So they are there. They can be changed. Totems can be changed. It depends on, you know, on your attitudes, on what you're doing, and how the Most High used to bless you. You know, when the Jacob used to bless the 12, you know, it was also that the 12 children of Israel had different kinds of totems. And he said, Judah, you are the lion. And everyone knows that the lion is the king. So yeah, this is where we see, if we go like to Congo with the totem of a leopard is, he looks like a king, but he's not. And his attributes are, he very arrogant, and so when you go to the United States, then you will see an eagle. He sees everything. He has his spies everywhere. And when he wants to do war, he just comes from far. he destroys, and then he flies away. Okay. When you go to the chicken eats everywhere. This is France. He eats everywhere, and when he eats everywhere, he used to talk a lot. You know, he used to say a lot, share a lot of things about others, and also it means also that when he eats everywhere, that he used to steal everywhere. He don't care. Everywhere where he finds food, he goes and takes it. This is how you can see the French people. They used to live from other countries. You know, they themselves, they have no businesses really but they're atom nation. Atom nation means they have atom bombs, they have nuclear weapons, they have different kinds of powers. You know, they are strong, but strong in colonizing. You know? Some other people, some other countries, they stopped colonization, but France will never stop. Then every nation has its culture, and everyone must respect the other one's culture. Yeah, it's also when you go to, you know, to the south of Angola, we are the same people, but you will see they have another culture. But also not only in the south, you have people southwest, they are differently. There you have people in the northeast, like in the northwest, and every 30 kilometers, even languages can change. Yeah, and culture can change. It can be the same people, but cultures can start changing. It's the same thing what you will see also in Americas, in Latin America. You will always see different kinds of people, maybe also the same people, but they have another dialect, and they have another culture, etc., how they used to do things, right? And this is how we should respect it, because we have to know that no one has chosen where he will be born into. Yeah, so we have to respect the other people's culture. Yeah, this is Jeremiah 2:11. And if someone does not do his culture, yeah, if someone does not do his culture, mostly he can go to slavery. Yeah, he can be punished for that. Yeah. So then we have to know that we have 4 living beings in heaven. You can see that the one has a face of a human, the other one has a face of an eagle, the other one has a face of a lion, the other one has a face of a cow, and which means there's also a significant of that. Okay, a meaning, and totems can be changed. Yeah, and I mean, the only someone that is really spiritual and wants to do different kinds of work for someone, for him it's very important to know which kind of totem someone have. Yeah, but for a human itself, for me, it's a little astrology and whatever. It's not so important. Only if you, yeah, there's certain characteristics. I have to go to take my charger. Brother Trey, can you please read Psalms 23? I'm coming.
All right. Psalms 23.
My sister brought it to me. Wow.
All right. Okay. Yah Nzambe is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in the green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of Yah Nzambe forever. Ingeta.
Excellent verse. Yah Nzambe is with us. Let us learn some more. We are in his house. Let he bless us and teach us some more about his secrets. Okay, let us go deeper. Now, now, each tribe or each family, yeah, each races carries also his emblem, his totem, okay? Yeah, and it is very, very good sometimes also to know, okay, this person's that I'm marrying with, their family have this and this problem, or their family have this and this skills. According to that, you know, you've seen the royal house in England still today has its problems because for me they killed already Diana. They did, and still today they are fighting there because of certain things what they know about certain other family members that wants to enter into their family member or family tribe. So now, sometimes if you see that someone has, and not negative, because every totem has his positivity and negativity, but you can see that someone has a totem as a dog or something like that, and then you will see that a woman can be like someone that has different kinds of mans, and this happens from generation to generations, that all the women in the house, they had different kinds of mans, and this must be changed, yeah, so that the next generation maybe will not be the same. Yeah? So this is something, this has something to do with each one of us and the Most High, and families. It's something also about the bloodline. And now, when we talk about the elements, like August, people from August, they are lions. People from August are lions. It's like fire. The element is fire. Fire. If someone has an element of fire, this person, it's good for him to use fire, to reach out to the Most High, or fire to pray with, or to do certain things. He knows that fire is my element, like water is an element, earth is an element. Then you have also air is an element. So if you go to Jesus or Yissa'Yah, he healed someone that was blind with earth. Then he healed people with water. Okay, he could walk over water. So he had he himself had the power over the water. So then he breathed into people's body, so that he become the ruach, and he did his healing with fire. So to everyone that he saw, he addressed them with their attributes, their totem, or their element. It is easier to heal someone with his own element. Okay. Yes, like I said, if your element is water, you can just take water, pray over the water, and put it into your face, and you will see that the water will start responding for you. The water will start working for you. The water is your element. Okay. Okay. Every person has his element, like I said, and every person should pray according to his element. This is very important. It must not be, but it is stronger. It is you will become stronger if you do so. Like we have on Monday, we have the Archangel Gabriel. He represents the white candle. Monday. On Tuesday, you have another archangel named Samuel or Samael. He is representing the red candle, which means the angel of war, praying for warfare, persecutions, such things. It's very good if you as someone who is like who has the element of fire. He can put the fires there, a red candle, yeah, and you know, start fighting for warfare against his enemies, etc., etc. On Wednesday, you have Raphael, you know, also another archangel. He's blue. Blue means peace. Peace. Blue. You know, you can see everywhere police officers. Police officers, they used to mostly all over the world, they used to wear blue color. Yeah, blue pants, blue houses, yeah, blue offices, blue cars, and the heaven is blue, which gives us peace. Okay, the Most High is the spirit of peace. Okay. Okay. Then on Thursday, you are going to yellow. Okay, yellow. It's very good for if you want wealth. You know, you can pray for all kind of wealth on Thursday. It will increase your wealth. It will definitely, if you have problems with wealth, you're gonna find it. There will be a way that wealth will come to you because you're doing the right rituals, right? On Thursday, and on Friday, it's another angel called Anael. It's Rosa, Rosa, the color Rosa, love. This stays for love. You have problems in your relationship, you have no partner, yeah, the Most High will find a way for you. Then Amor will come with his arrow, and yeah, he will find someone for you. Okay, this is how it works. And on Saturday, Septashel, you have a black collar. Septashel is another angel. Yeah, it's a black color, because when you put all the colors together, you have to know black is a very powerful color. Yeah, black is almost the most powerful color of all. Yeah, so don't reject that. It's a very spiritual color as well. But it always represents also people that going to die. Yeah, which means and the entrance of the spiritual world. On Sunday you have another color. Yeah, like people know the sun god and all these kinds of things. Michael, Archangel Michael. Okay, green. Okay, green. That's why you see the turquoise, they went from red to green on their flag, or the Kimbangeists and all them. Okay. Yeah, so another secret that must be revealed is it is very good for you if you pray to look to the east. This is where the sun goes down and up. The Most High makes everything new from the east. So it has another power and effect if we do so. Yeah. It sounds weird. People, Abraham have done this. Moses have done this. I know that the Most High is everywhere, but the truth is there is some power in it. Yeah. Mano Patrick, tá entendendo tudo? Some people here speaking Portuguese, they do not understand anything. I think it was very fast today. Yeah. So we're gonna end here. Yeah. The next step will be to explain exactly for each day, for the months, for everyone that us when he's born, which kind of elements belongs to him. So this video will be uploaded, so you can watch it, rewatch it, and from there you can get your points together. Okay, we're gonna go to our prayer.
So